All right, what's up, guys? Back with another Ethereum episode. So we are going to start off with a quick Bitcoin update and then move into Ethereum. So if you watched the last Bitcoin episode, Bitcoin ended up closing a monthly candle above the blue 0.75 Fibonacci trend line. The reason why the blue 0.75 Fibonacci trend line is so important is because it is the last line of defense for the bears. As you can see, every time that Bitcoin manages to close a monthly candle above the blue 0.75 Fibonacci trend line, Bitcoin has gone parabolic to the upside. In December of 2012, October of 2016, July of 2020, and now February of 2024. Every 4 years, Bitcoin has a tremendous pump to new all-time highs. And as stated since the beginning of this channel, our bull market top projection for Bitcoin is at $175,000. Go watch the previous Bitcoin episode if you want to see how we calculated that price target. Now, addressing the sentiment, I see a lot of people saying that the cryptocurrency euphoria is similar to May of 2021 and November of 2021. So let me start off by saying that's a bunch of crap. Sentiment is non-tangible and very difficult to measure, which is why I don't put too much stock into the crypto greed and fear index. On top of that, the media is still not covering Bitcoin 24/7, which is something to look out for in the future. So let's take a look at something more pragmatic, which are the regression bands, to see why Bitcoin today is in a different position than it was back in May and November of 2021. Just a quick recap, the red region represents Bitcoin's overvaluation, the green region represents Bitcoin's undervaluation, and the blue line represents Bitcoin's fair value. Taking a look at the regression bands, we can see that the upper bounds of the red region has caught the bull market top every market cycle. In 2021, Bitcoin reached the upper bounds of the red region twice. Fast forward to today, as you can see, Bitcoin is nowhere close to the upper bounds of the regression bands. The upper bounds of the regression bands is at $127,323.87. The reason why today is different from 2021 is because the regression bands have moved higher every single week. It's been 120 weeks since the last bull market top. Since then, the regression bands have moved significantly higher than they were back in 2021. In other words, Bitcoin has more room to push higher. So if Bitcoin does make a new all-time high before I upload another video, the key short-term targets to pay attention to is at the cluster of Fibonacci retracements and extensions around $80,000 to $90,000. Okay, moving into Ethereum, so where does the $14,000 price target come from? Well, as stated before, most assets eventually end up gravitating to the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement from the previous bull market top to the bear market bottom. So taking a 1.618 Fibonacci retracement from the bull market top to the bear market bottom, that would land Ethereum at $14,000. So what's another method? Well, from the previous bull market, we can take a 3-point extension. So we can see that Ethereum topped out between the 2.272 Fibonacci extension and the 2.618 Fibonacci extension. So let's apply those same ratios to today. Taking a 3-point extension, we can see that the 2.272 to 2.618 Fibonacci extension ranges between $11,000 and $15,000. Notice how the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement is intersecting with the 2.272 to 2.618 trend-based Fib extension. Whenever you see confluence in these Fibonacci ratios, that is an indication that price will usually gravitate to those price targets. To make a long story short, Ethereum is going above $10,000 before the bull market ends. Moving into the short-term price targets for Ethereum, if Bitcoin manages to break out to $80,000, Ethereum is most likely going to retest new all-time highs between the 1.618 and 1.786 white trend-based Fib extensions that span between $4,159 to $4,787. Closing things off with the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation, when I take a look at other YouTube channels, especially the big ones like Benjamin Cohen, a lot of people are still bearish on Ethereum because of the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation. And if you've been following this channel for a while, you will know that I am a huge Ethereum bull because I am bullish on the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation. Taking a look at the monthly time frame, despite Ethereum losing retail interest, You can see for the past 3 months, the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation has been printing doji candles. The monthly open and closes have been the same for the past 3 months. In other words, the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation has just been trading sideways. Okay, so the Coinbase against Bitcoin valuation is on the left, and the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation is on the right. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you will also know that we are huge Coinbase bulls. Similar to the Coinbase against Bitcoin valuation, the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation is printing the same bullish falling wedge as well as bullish inverse head and shoulders pattern. The Coinbase against Bitcoin valuation is already starting to break out to the upside, which is why Coinbase stock has almost 8x'd off the bear market lows. Similar to Coinbase, when the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation breaks out to the upside, we are expecting Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin by a large margin. Eventually, this is just going to be a simple three-wave correction that sends the Ethereum against Bitcoin valuation to $0.12. Mark my words, in regards to the Bitcoin valuation, Ethereum will be one of the only altcoins that manages to break above its 2021 bull market cycle top. Ethereum is a buy here today. Okay, so that's my analysis on Ethereum for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.